Tesla hired over 1,000 new factory workers for its semi-program in Nevada. Tesla seems to be putting a lot of effort into growing its semi-team. As per recent reports, the company has hired over 1,000 factory workers in Nevada for its semi-program. The update was initially reported by Insider, which cited 3 people reportedly familiar with the matter. Bigger semi-team. As per the publication's sources, Tesla has reportedly hired over 1,000 new factory workers for the semi-program in Nevada. The hiring ramp is reportedly part of the company's efforts to fulfill the orders for the semi, which have been accumulating for years. To help the new members of the semi-team, Tesla has reportedly brought in the new workers to Giga, Nevada, for training and tours over the past months. These efforts are quite a notable update for the semi-program, the publication's sources claimed, since less than 100 factory workers were reportedly assigned to the Class 8 all-electric truck until recently. Tesla has not issued a comment about the matter as of writing. Tesla, semi-jobs and updates. Insider's report came amidst a hiring ramp in Tesla's careers website. As per previous reports, Tesla's careers website has uploaded over 80 positions related to the semi-program. The positions are varied, with listings being posted for engineering-related roles in Palo Alto, California, to manufacturing-related roles in Sparks, Nevada, and vehicle service-related roles in Sacramento, California. Tesla also shared a recent video of the ongoing progress of the semi-factory's construction near Giga, Nevada. As per Tesla semi-program lead Dan Priestley, the company has spent the last few months building the facility's shell, so efforts are now underway to equip the factory with production equipment. The Tesla executive also reiterated the company's target of producing 50,000 units of the semi annually from its Nevada factory. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.